Hey darlings, and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyl Designs. Today we're going to be working with something super fun. I already have the powder coat paints out and about, and we'll get to that in just a second. I want to show you that my son helped me with this very first cup. Since this is a copyright image, obviously this is illegal to sell, and since it was the first one, we're going to make this a gift for a very special friend. So then we decided to do a round two, and my son made this tumbler. I used my Cricut to cut this image that I found just off of Google, applied it. I did not sand the tumbler, I only used alcohol to clean it. Once I applied the stencil, then he did the powder coating, and it is flawless. So now we're ready to branch out and show you guys that we're going to work with a 30 skinny that I've already done some decals using my Cricut with the hibiscus flower throughout the whole tumbler. This tumbler, as well as the rest of my tumblers, I purchased from Marshall Made Tumblers and More, and I'll have the link down below for that. So I only had white powdered coat paint. So I thought before we got started, gosh, I wonder if I can dye it with mica powder. So this was done with Lotus. So it's a much lighter look, but it's okay because it worked and it was baked. It's perfect. Then I believe it was Blueberry, which is also a deeper blue, but it came out like a baby blue on this tumbler. Awesome. So we wanted to demonstrate for you today a papaya green in with the white. Now, I already did start mixing, and I thought, oh my God, I gotta stop because I wanna show you guys exactly what I'm doing here. So I wanna show you that I'm actually dumping the mica powder, which is gonna make this color a little bit deeper, but not much because there's a lot of white. Ryan, can you give this a shake, please, while I show them the blue? Yep. So this is the blue that we mixed with the white powder coat paint, and we used blue rose. Okay, we do have doors open. We are actually working just outside of my garage space, so we are well ventilated, just so you guys understand that. So when we get ready to do the paint, the powder coating, I will fast forward so I don't bore you with that because it does take a little bit of time just to finesse it properly. All right, now he's back with our green that he's just shaken up. So these are the two colors that we're going to attempt to ombre, having dyed with mica powder. Okay, so let's just jump right in and get started. Okay, as you can see, we're all set up. My son's gonna show you that we have tape on the inside of the cup to try to protect it as much as we can so we have a lot less cleanup. Then he's gonna put it top down and show you the air gun, the powder coating gun in which we're gonna use today. As he's just attached our ground, the blue color one more time, in which we mixed with the mica. As you can see, we're outside and we're well ventilated. So I'm gonna pause recording really quickly, and I'm gonna get everything turned on, and we'll be right back. slow and steady. It goes in. I can't hold the door for you. Oh God, oh God, I'm so nervous. This is the tallest one we've done, guys. The other two were 20 ounces and it was so much easier.
It's all about the handwork.
That it is. We're using what we have, guys. We're making what we have work. So it's in. I do have mine sideways. So just so you can see, hopefully you can see that it's at 400 degrees, set for 20 minutes. Hey guys, and welcome back. Okay, so as you can see, I already started down here at the bottom. And I think that I need to make sure I'm not using 651 vinyl because it's a little bit difficult to pull off, but that's okay. I can fast forward through this because it can get a little boring and redundant, and you're just gonna watch me peel this off. But I also wanted to show you the inside, and I'm just gonna pull that tape off. Okay, so you can see the inside of the rim. Super clean. Obviously, we're gonna wash this when we're completely done, but that's where we are right now. By putting a little bit of tape in there, we help save ourselves a lot of time in making sure that it stayed clean, because somehow the airbrush or the powder will just get right on inside there and cause an issue. We have to clean it up. So like I said, I've already started. I'm going to show you this first one because it is a little bit tricky, because I did have to struggle to pull it off a little bit. See, and I think obviously we put it in the oven, so we did bake this. So this could be normal, but I'm not sure because I'm very, very new to this. But I'm not even sure if a 631 vinyl, I don't think I used permanent, to be honest, guys, but it definitely is kind of on there good. I'm pretty sure I didn't use a permanent, but I could have grabbed it by accident. But either way, look at how pretty this is going to look when it's pulled. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Okay, so I'm not going to bother with the fast forwarding process. I will, though, come back when this is completely done. And for those wondering about precision tweezers, yeah, once it's baked, it takes a little more strength than the precision tweezers. So I just prefer to go, do it by hand. Okay, so I will return in just a few minutes when this is done. Hey guys, okay, so now we're back, and as you can see, everything is now pulled. This looks absolutely incredible. Yeah, the vinyl was a little tough to get off, but it obviously came off. I don't know if it's because it was essentially baked. If anyone works with powder coating and they use vinyl to do decals, if you have some kind of a tip or a trick, please give me a comment down below and let me know what that is. It's not doable, but you know, something, everyone has a tip and a trick to make things a little bit easier. And also around the rim. Getting the rim was a little bit more difficult, especially on this one. But overall, I give this an easy 98% well done. My son did the ombre. This is the third cup that he's done, and I just walked right through with the tutorial, and I am so impressed. Just take a look at that. Again, these colors were made using mica powder, in which I just dyed in with the white powder coat paint. See, it stains this, but I have yet to clean them. But you can see there's still the blue and then the green. Anyways, those will wash out easily, not a big deal. So I am looking forward to doing many, many more of these. I do not have to epoxy this. I just need to give this a good solid wash, and this is completed. Okay, until next time, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.